Hey there, Sid here with another trade recap. And today's trade was a continuation play. Now, support.com or SPRT was trading. It was a short squeeze stock, gaining momentum since last Thursday, or it was at its peak of its momentum was on Friday, and after that it was kind of like consolidating or losing some of its momentum. But I was certain, like when I saw that price action on SPRT on Friday, I was almost sure that this going to be like a multi-day runner. And same thing happened today. In the in the pre-market hours, it made a high around like $41, and then it start consolidating at right at the market open. It jumped up higher and was showing the strong momentum, and basically what I did is like I just captured it. When it broke on this candle, like I was watching it, and the volume was kind of like increasing at that time period, and it was showing some kind of like a bullish momentum. What I did is like on this candle I decided to jump in, got filled in for 38.82 for 100 shares. Couldn't buy more. I was trying to buy around like 200 shares, but my buying power was not enough, and I was holding it on this wick and sold everything at 41.96. So that was a quick trade. It lasted almost less than 45 seconds, but was a good trade. Didn't take too much risk. It was a calculated risk play. For this month, I guess we have one more day left. These are my trades. At the end, I made $214.50. Solid green day for me. So that's it for this video, guys. Before going, let me tell you that trading is risky. Please manage your own risk before putting your real money on the line. Do some paper trading, get good sense of what market is, how trends are, terminology, chart patterns, candlestick pattern, volume pattern, and everything. Make sure that you are comfortable with everything before taking your first trade. Otherwise you will lose money. If you are not sure, consult with someone who is in the position to give you that advice. I'm not a certified financial advisor, so just take this video as an educational video, learn something from it. So that being said, thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow or in the next trade. Bye.